Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build an ERP using Claude Code. First, plan your ERP modules by deciding what your system will include, such as HR for employees and payroll, inventory for stock and products, sales for orders and invoices, and finance for expenses and reports. Then ask Cloud AI to design the structure by running a prompt like design an ERP system architecture with models for HR, inventory, sales, and finance. Next, generate the backend system using a framework like Node.js or Laravel. Then, run a prompt to create a scalable ERP backend with authentication, roles, and modular APIs, and Claude will generate the API structure, authentication system, and role-based access. Now, set up the database using PostgreSQL or MySQL. Then ask Claude to design an ERP database schemas for users, inventory, sales, and finance modules. And this will include tables, relationships, and constraints needed for your system. After that, build a front-end dashboard using frameworks like React or Vue.js. Then ask Claude to create an ERP dashboard UI with a sidebar, charts, and module navigation. And you will get an admin panel, analytics charts, and CRUD interfaces. Then add core ERP features by asking Claude to include inventory tracking, invoice generation, and reporting systems, and this will give your stock management, invoice PDFs, and detailed report with analytics. Finally, test, deploy, and scale your system by running it locally, fixing bugs using Claude, and then deploying on a VPS or cloud. And after that, you can scale using APIs, microservices, and cloud hosting for better performance and growth. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.